Welcome to WebStylePress. If you are new here, consider subscribing and hit that bell icon. Previously, I shared common Git commands and easy way to use Git on Windows by using Git GUI, Git Bash, and Git for Windows. Find link for that tutorial in description or in this video. In this video, I will show you how can you use those Git commands with Git Bash or terminal. For Mac or Linux or Ubuntu, you have got your terminal. For Windows, you have got command prompt or PowerShell, but I will prefer Git for Windows. Git for Windows gives you Git Bash utility that is similar to terminal. Git Bash. We will use Git Bash to clone a repo from GitHub. We will practice git clone, git add, git commit, git push, git pull, git branch, new git checkout, and git status, and such commands. These are common commands, and in most cases, you only need these to do the job. And learn to use these commands, and you are good to go with version control system. To use Git, you should generate SSH keys for PC and register those keys with GitHub or GitLab to do all of this. This is how GitHub recognizes your PC and allows files transfer between PC and your GitHub repos. From your profile, you will register keys, SSH keys here, SSH and GPG keys. You will generate those keys in your PC and you will add those SSH keys here. Okay, we will need a repo to start from. Here I have got repositories or repos, and I have got the repo git-easy. This is the repo, and I want to clone that here. Git clone repo path. So this is the command, and from the repository code SSH, I need this path. Inside our folder, right click, git bash here. Right, I am in this folder. My current path is this git-test. Alright, so git clone. Right click, paste, enter. We are cloning remote repo locally, and it is done. Now we are inside this repo. We have got a command git add period. For that, let's create a file here. doc1.txt. Document 1. Save, close. Right click, git bash here. Git. Now I want to reflect these changes here. I want to push this file to this repo. But for that, I will need this command git add, then git commit, and then git push, and then I will mention the branch name. Our branch name is main. We can create more branches. You can explore branches from here. So git add period, enter, and then git commit -m, and then just added a file, enter. One file changed, one insertion, create mode, this one. And now we'll have to push git push origin branch name, git push origin, and branch name is main, enter. Done. Reload, and as you can see, this file is here, doc1.txt with the text document1 with the commit message, just added a file. So to push changes, I need to use git add period and then git commit and then git push. We can pull changes as well. Let's say another developer changed this file, like I can edit it from here. File was changed by another developer. Save. Now this file is like that here. File was changed. This text is here. That is not present in our file. I want to pull changes for this file from remote repo in my local file. How will we do that? We will use git pull origin main, git pull origin branch name, right? So branch name is main, enter. Okay, so let's see, and as you can see, the changes have been copied here locally from remote repo, right? So we have used git add, git commit, git push, git pull, and let's see what is this git branch. Git branch. So it will tell me the branch name, current branch name that I am working in. And then git branch, new branch name. Let's create a new branch. Git branch name dev2. Now let's use git branch, and it will tell me the current branch that I'm working with, that is main with this static. It means that this is my current branch, and we have got more branches in system, that is dev2, and git branch dev3. Now git branch to see branches. We have got main, dev2, dev3. We have got two branches and one main branch now. And git branch dev, git branch to see branches, dev2, dev3, main, right? And my current branch is main. And checkout is to switch branch. Now let's see, we have got these branches or not. Refresh the page, reload the page, and I don't see branches here. So where are those branches? we'll have to commit the changes and push the changes. We've got a command here, git status. Let's try this, git status. On branch main, your branch is up to date with origin main. Well, main branch is up to date. And git add period git commit -m created new branches. Enter. All right, nothing to commit. Git push origin main. Main is branch name. Everything up to date. And let's see now. Reload. And I still don't see branches here. But if I use this command here, git branch, it will tell me that I have got a branch name main, and I have got a branch dev, and then dev2, dev3. All right, then we'll have to switch the branch. Git checkout dev. We are switching the branch now. Git checkout branch name. Enter. And it said switched to branch dev. Okay, now let's refresh or reload the page. Still no branches here. Okay, so git branch, and now it says that my current branch is dev locally, and I have got these branches. Okay, so git add period git commit -m add branch dev. This is just the message. And git push origin. Now I am pushing changes to branch dev. So I will not use name main here. I will use dev. Now the dev branch is being pushed. Enter. Okay. Reload. And now you can see two branches. Dev is the branch here. Okay. So for this branch, for dev branch, let's add another file. And the file is dev. This is dev branch. This is branch named dev. Save. Now git status, it says that we have got this new file that need to be committed and to be pushed. So git add period git commit added a file. Enter. Git push origin dev. We pushed this branch again. And now let's use git status. Nothing to commit, working tree clean. And now git branch, it says that I am in the dev branch, and I have got more of these branches here. These two local, and this is one. This one is local and remote as well. So reload. So I am in the main branch right now, right? So let's switch to dev here. In the dev you can see this doc1 and then this dev.txt here. Dev.txt. This is branch named dev, right? Now here's the thing. I'm going back to main branch. Main branch hasn't got that dev.txt, right? This file dev.txt isn't in the main branch. Let's switch back to main branch. Git branch information. I am in dev. Let's switch git checkout main. Git checkout branch name. So I am going back to main branch named as main. Enter and switched to branch main. Now I am in the main. Git branch and it tells me that I'm in the main. And you can see that dev file has disappeared from here. Right? Let's switch back. Git checkout dev. Now let's go to this dev branch. Enter. And as you can see, this file appeared here. So now we are in the dev branch, right? So to create these two branches, these two more branches, we'll have to push these as well. Git checkout main. Now I am going back to main branch, and as you can see that dev document disappeared. Git checkout dev2. Now we will create these two branches. Okay, git checkout dev2. Now this is git branch. Now we are in dev2, but dev2 is not here remotely. We don't have dev2 right here. We don't have dev2 here. Okay, so let's git. Can we push it directly? Git push origin dev2. It means that we are pushing this dev2 branch that we are in locally, and we are pushing it to remote repo. And it was successful. Reload, and as you can see dev2 is here. So for now we are in dev2. So let's create a document dev2.txt. This is dev2 branch. Okay. Can we push again directly? Everything up to date. Dev2. Reload. But it is not up to date. Dev2. See, doc1. We don't see dev2 text file here. This dev2 text file. So git status, and it says that dev2.txt is here, that needs to be pushed. So we will repeat that process. Git add, git commit, git push. Git add period, git commit -m for dev2 branch. This is just the message, and then git push origin dev2. Git push, we are pushing the current changes to dev2 branch. Enter. Okay, reload for dev2, and you can see dev2 document has appeared here. Okay, so now let's switch back. Git checkout, we are switching the branch. Okay, git checkout main, we are switching to the main branch. Git checkout main, and now we are in the main branch. As you can see, dev2 document has disappeared. Basically now these branches are mirroring. This is remote branch, now this is main. When we checked out from here, this location is now mirroring this location. Git branch, as you can see, I am in the main branch. So main branch had got these contents, right? So we have got main branch, we have got dev2 and dev. We need to populate dev3 branch here now. Main, dev, dev2, dev3. Let's create dev3. Git checkout dev3. Now we are switching to dev3 branch. Switched to branch dev3. Git branch. It tells me that we are in the dev3, but dev3 has not been created here. Right now dev3 is at local. You see, there's no dev3 here. All right, so now we're in dev3. Let's create a document here, dev3.txt. This is dev3. Okay, so git add git status, changes to be committed, new file dev3.txt. Git commit -m, and here is just the message, added new file for dev3. And now git push origin dev3. So we are pushing dev3 branch to remote repo. Let's see, reload, and we have got dev3 here. And as you can see, dev3 document is also here, right? Now this is dev3, this is dev2 with dev2 document, and this is dev. These are our branches with the dev document. This is our main or master branch or default branch. And also we can compare and create pull request for main branch. Basically you create the branches, different developers can work in different branches, and then from those branches we can create pull requests for this main branch. Final changes are merged with this main branch, right? So git status, git branch, what branch we are in, and we are in dev3, and we have got these branches. All right, so we have to try this command yet. If we want to create a new branch and we want to switch immediately to that branch, then we will use this -b flag. Git checkout -b branch name, new branch name, new branch name. So let's go back to branch main, git checkout. We are switching to branch main. Git status, git branch, we are in branch main, and now we are creating another branch. Git checkout dash b dev4. Now the dev4 is not here locally and not here at remote repo. We are creating it, and we are with dash b flag. We will be immediately switched to this branch when it will be created. Enter, and this branch was created and switched to a new branch dev4. Git branch, let's verify, and we're in dev4, but dev4 is locally. Dev4 is not pushed yet here, but it exists locally. To push this branch, we will have to repeat the process. Git status, git add, git status, git commit dash m new branch, git push origin dev4. So push this branch to the origin with the name dev4. And now this branch was created. Reload. It was created remotely. As you can see, dev4 is here. So git checkout main, that is our main branch. We are switching to main branch. Git checkout dev, and as you can see, dev document appeared here. Git checkout dev2, and as you can see, dev2 document appeared here. Git checkout main, and this document disappeared. So all of these branches are these are versions of this branch, and you can switch to these branches. You can work independently in these branches, and then you can merge any of these branches with the main branch. This is the benefit of version control system and Git, and you can use terminal or git bash to clone repo, to stage changes, to commit changes, and to push the changes to any of branch that you select. And you can pull the changes, and you can check the current branch and branches that exist currently for your repository. And then you can create new branch with git branch new branch name, and you can switch branches with git checkout branch name, and you can create a new branch and switch to that branch immediately with this command, with this -b flag. And git status will tell you if there are changes to be committed or files to be pushed to remote repo. This is how you use Git and command line utility to clone repos, to create branches, to switch to branches, and to push changes to remote repository. That's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If I missed anything, comment down below. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel and hit bell icon to receive updates. Join us on social media. Links are in the description below. Stay tuned for more updates. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.